Alright, good morning everybody. We're out here at Red Mountain. It's not too far away from my house. Just riding a short little bit. And really getting started with the ride. I'll probably jump ahead in the video here in a second, because most of the ride for a while is kind of like this. Alright, we've jumped ahead a little bit on the video. I will probably jump ahead again here in a second. But like I said, we're at Red Mountain. And the reason I jump ahead so much is because it looks like this for a while. At least a mile and a half, I believe. So we really get to where I want to go and climb and maybe do some a little bit faster points. There. Fun fact so far today, right after I jumped from the last video, I got stung in the neck by a wasp. So if you see me kind of reaching up, it's me kind of itching my neck. That bad boy, he got me pretty good. A little bit of technical with roots. I did this trail, actually, I think it's been a week now. I did it last week, and it was an uphill climb. It drops every now and then. For a while, I gotta go uphill, unfortunately. But that just means at some point, you gotta come down. And that's where the fun is. A little bit of bridge action. Make it up over the ring. Oh yeah. Uphill, as you can see. It's kicking my butt. That last trail, sorry, I'm not even angling on the camera, was actually named the Songo Trail. And we climbed the hill, and now we're about to go across this bridge to an overlook. This is called the Hideaway, and it's just a little spot right offside the Shotta trail. Hope I said that right. If it sounds like I'm out of breath, it's because I am. That hill took it out of me. And sometimes, I don't know if you'll be able to see it from this overlooker camera right now. I can see it. You can see downtown Birmingham. Depending, there's a lot of fog today. And that's midfield and north of Birmingham. It's beautiful out here. The fall color is in full effect. Leaving the overlook, the Hideaway, and we're back to start on the Shotta trail. And as you can already see, there's some downhill, which is what I like. decent downhill. joke. So, if you saw my video from last week, it's Oak Mountain, and I lost my peg up there to my, like this, to my bike, and I put it back on and it's coming off again. So, I don't know what I'm gonna have to do to fix it. So, you're catching me in bike repair. It's become another episode of mountain skate biking. Lost my peg again. Can't get it back on. I even brought a wrench this time, but the crank I think is stripped. So we're just gonna have to walk and pedal it out. Luckily, this time around I'm not that far out. I mean, I'm still got a decent ways to get back, but not like Oak Mountain the other day. But I think it's time to have a professional look at this, because I apparently can't even fix it. Just riding it out. There'll be a little bit of downhill in the meantime. So, mountain skate biking once again. Doing all this on one pedal at the moment. This is a bit intense. My pedal broke off. Another mountain skate biking adventure. Ooh, big rock. Didn't mean to hit that head on. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pop a wheelie over this bridge. What do you think? Did it? We're all good. Still going downhill. Man, oh man. Throw it down. Still on one foot. Man, about got bounced. Ride it out. Alright, we're just riding it out to the parking lot. Considering the bike hasn't wanted to cooperate with me. 2 rides in a row now. I've lost this stinking pedal. I said I didn't do a very good job fixing it. Luckily, this is flat. This ride just wasn't meant to be today. I had to go back home after I got here because I forgot something. And 10 minutes into the ride, I get stung by a wasp. And now this. This not meant to be today. Mountain bike god said no.